Don't roll around your garage with just any old chair. Move around in comfort with a stool designed for the garage, like the Urban Transit FastBack Rolling Stool. Ideal for detailing or repair projects around your car and garage. The FastBack stool is lightweight, yet strong thanks to its powder-coated steel frame. It rolls smoothly on large 3-inch ProGlide polyurethane casters. Its 17-inch height and padded seat cushion provide plenty of comfort when cleaning or changing wheels or working around your car. The Urban Transit FastBack stool assembles in minutes with just a few hand tools. With a screwdriver, wrench, and mallet, you will have the FastBack stool ready to use within minutes. The stool includes easy-to-follow instructions and a parts diagram to make assembly simple. In addition to being comfortable and easy to roll, the FastBack stool is convenient. Its handy storage tray has an oil-resistant and anti-slip lining to keep hand tools within reach. There is also a cup holder and socket storage tray to prevent sockets from rolling away. The Urban Transit FastBack stool has a 350-pound weight capacity to accommodate auto enthusiasts of all sizes.